Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to write speech on National Birds Day. On January 5, National Bird Day is celebrated to raise awareness of the value of tiny streets in the ecosystem. The Avian Welfare Coalition, which works hard to promote awareness for birds that are captured or produced in captivity for either financial gain or for human amusement, is behind this initiative. The day prompts reflection on the interconnectedness between humans and these awe-inspiring creatures, emphasizing the need for global unity in their conservation. The 850 bird species that live in the United Nations are among the many different bird species that are honored on National Bird Day. Climate change, habitat loss, deforestation, and other factors that have a devastating impact on life are putting many birds in danger. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.